Ultimize. Before we begin, make sure you're walking in a safe place where you can remain aware of your surroundings. Keep your eyes open and stay mindful of where you're walking. This final episode is a short reminder of how to make walking meditation a powerful daily habit. Begin walking now at a comfortable pace. Walking meditation is simple. You walk, you breathe, you notice. During your walk, allow your attention to return again and again to three simple things: your steps, your breathing, your surroundings. Your steps bring your attention back to the present moment. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Your breathing helps calm your mind. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing naturally. Your surroundings help keep you aware of the real world. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the air. Notice the environment you're walking in. Walking meditation does not require perfect focus. Your mind will wander. That's completely normal. When you notice your mind drifting into plans or worries, simply return your attention to walking. Step, step, step. Over time, this simple habit creates powerful benefits: clearer thinking, calmer emotions, better focus, better decisions. Your daily walk becomes more than exercise. It becomes a mental reset. Now remember one more important idea. During your walk, try not to check your phone. Even though you're using your phone to listen to this podcast, resist the urge to check messages, email, or social media. Those interruptions break the mental clarity that walking meditation creates. Instead, if a great idea appears while walking, bring a small pad and pen with you. If inspiration strikes, pause briefly and write the idea down. Then continue walking. Many people discover that their best thinking happens while walking. This practice simply creates space for that thinking to happen. Now, take a moment to return your attention again to your steps. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Walking meditation becomes more powerful through repetition. The more you practice it, the more natural it becomes. So choose the episode length that works best for your typical walk. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes. Once you find the length that fits your routine, return to it regularly. You can listen to the same episode daily if you like. Repetition is what turns a simple activity into a powerful habit. Walking, breathing, noticing. Those three simple actions can transform a normal walk into a powerful mental reset. And now you have a complete set of walking meditations you can return to anytime. As this series comes to a close, continue walking with awareness. Carry this calm focus with you into the rest of your day. Step by step, breath by breath, one walk at a time.